I'm sorry the lighting is not the best, but as I said, I'm in my kitchen. It's so confusing. Hello beautiful people. Hi, how are you? Welcome back. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a different type of video. Actually, I'm so excited and I hope you guys are too. I'm sorry the lighting is not the best, but as I said, I'm in my kitchen and I'm waiting for my baby girls to finish eating. Also, I'm I'm checking the oven because as I said, I am making something very exciting for me at least. So if you guys love coffee and you want to drink coffee all day long, but you can, because you know, too much caffeine in your body, it can drives you to a point where you feel like you are getting crazy. So yeah, you want to have coffee, but too much caffeine is not, you know, it's not the best for your body. So I discovered this on TikTok a while ago and I was on a hunt to buy this dandelion root coffee, like fake coffee, but oh my goodness, it was nowhere to be found in my area. Like Amazon didn't have it and I couldn't just buy a box of I don't even know how many grams of dandelion coffee for like 50 euros. That's a no for me. So I finally found it on iHerb. This is not sponsored. I wish though. iHerb sponsor me. Yeah, no, it's not sponsored. So I finally found it on iHerb and I think I paid 6 euros for a box of 25 individual, how you say that, individual single serving pouches. I can't find the word right now. Anyway, so I think I paid 6 euros. Even that is way too expensive for just a beverage that tastes like coffee. I mean, yeah, super natural and it tastes like coffee, it smells like coffee, and it looks like coffee, but it doesn't have caffeine. It's gluten-free, it's caffeine-free, no acidity, no bitterness, and all the goodness of dandelion in an instant coffee. Yeah, so this is an instant coffee. So I'm trying to achieve this, but mine, it won't be instant. Like mine will be like normal coffee. So yesterday I was in El Campo with my boyfriend. I knew very well that I can find dandelion in my area, like it grows everywhere basically. So you know, I just picked a few, and by saying a few I mean a bunch. And I had a hard time preparing them, like to clean them from the dirt, you know, that stuff you will see in the video. But right now I have them in the oven and I don't know, I feel like they should stay a little bit longer because I need to dry them out, like to roast them, if that makes sense. And then I have to grind them to make a powder, and basically that's it. The process is a little bit tedious because you have to put some effort, you know, but as Kardashian said, work hard or go home. I don't think she said that. She said something like, work harder, you peasants. Anyway, so if you guys want something very similar and as tasty as coffee, but without the caffeine, dandelion root is the way to go. So I'm going to show you guys in today's video how I'm going to prepare it. It's my first time doing this. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. If you guys know about this process or whatever, please correct me in the comments. But I did watch a few YouTube videos. So this is what I'm going to do in today's video. I'm going to make coffee from dandelion root. Wish me luck. So if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please hit the red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time I'm posting a new video. And without any further ado, let's just jump into the video because I have no idea what I'm doing. But isn't that so much fun? I also picked some wild asparagus, and by some I mean a lot because I can't even grab this with one hand. I'm planning to boil it and then freeze it, you know, to save it for later because we're not planning to eat this today or tomorrow. And then we have some fresh mint. I made a mojito last night. So yeah, I'm all about that healthy life. As we can see here, I have some nuts and almonds, pecan nuts to be more specific, because I am making my own almond milk and almond flour. Anyway, I'm just boiling some ravioli, you know. I will start tomorrow with my diet. You can always start tomorrow, right? So I'm going to submerge them in water and let them soak, I don't know, a few hours because there's still dirt on them. Also, I saved the leaves because I am planning to make a salad, but I don't know, we will see. Also, I saw people making smoothies out of those, so I don't know what I want exactly, but I picked quite a few, as we can see. I don't know if I should, let me just put my glove on with one hand. Wow, I got skills. I don't know if I should keep these little fine ones or remove them. I honestly don't know, but I'm going to let them soak for a few hours, as I said. Alrighty, so we are here now. I changed this water like 5 times already. I also picked the impurities. There's still more impurities in there, but I'm going to take this little brush. Don't laugh, this is my nail, like that it came with my nail kit. Oh my god. Okay, so this went faster than I imagined, but the problem is with these tiny little ones, because it's kind of impossible for me to clean it with the little brush, so size do matters. I'm still here, you guys. I'm still here. I'm not gonna lie, this takes a while. Like, it requires a little bit of effort, so I am trying to remove these fibers. I don't know how to name them, but pretty much I am almost done. Okay, I'm going to transfer them in this salad spinner to, you know, to dry them as much as possible. Then I'm going to use a paper towel. I'm going to cut them very fine and put in the oven. So we have everything laid on this baking paper. I'm going to put this in the oven for like 1 hour. I don't know, we will see, but at least 1 hour at 100 degrees. My oven doesn't have that option, like I have 90 and then 130, so I'm like here and hoping is at 100 degrees. I saw a lot of people using the air dry oven, whatever that is called. I don't have that, but I'm pretty sure I can achieve that with my, you know, like regular oven. So you guys, this is already hot, so yeah, here goes nothing. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try this dandelion root. I am scared, like it looks kind of weird, right? Should I? Yeah, I'm going to do it. So yeah, people online said that it's best to have it raw for, you know, all the benefits this plant has, but they didn't specify how it tastes like raw. So I guess I'm your laboratory rat. No, let me just bite the bigger part. Ah. It's so bitter. Immediately no. Immediately no. No. Ugh. Oh my goodness, this is so bitter. I don't like it. I don't know how you would eat this raw like this. No, immediately no. So I hope my coffee won't taste bitter. Alrighty, you guys, so this is how it looks. I'm going to let it for a little bit longer because it's still kind of soft. Like, it needs to be crunchy so I can grind this, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's still soft, as we can see, but the smaller parts are like very dry. So I'm going to, it doesn't burn. Yeah, like this part right here is pretty dry. I mean, you can hear the crunch. Yeah, of course I'm going to have the links of the videos that I watched on how to make this dandelion root coffee, because I didn't came up with this idea myself. I mean, no, I had to watch and learn on how to make it. So here I am sharing my experience with you guys. I really hope this will be a success. I'm hoping. Look at my fingers, oh my goodness. And so dirty from the dandelion root I cleaned yesterday. I still have dirt under there. Don't watch it. Okay, so I have my blender prepared. I'm going to start with a little amount to see how that goes. But basically you just put this in here and then you grind it. You guys, so I changed the blender because this one wasn't working, but there's still like huge chunks in there. Ooh. I don't know. Oh, yeah, you can see, but there's still chunks in there. So I think I'm going to strain this and see the final result. The moment of truth. Let's see if it's worth it to make dandelion coffee at home or just go and buy it. I have my homemade by moi. It says made by moi. And I have the store-bought one. Oh my goodness, this is not the vibe. I made this by myself, okay, from scratch, and this is the one that I bought. So from the start I'm going to say that they don't smell the same. I had to boil this because it didn't look right, like what you saw in that little clip of me just doing this coffee with hot water. So I had to boil that a little bit so I can get this color, but this one is instant, like it dissolves in hot water, also cold water. There's not much coffee like from a lot of roots. This is Pokemon. This is how much coffee I made, and in this paper towel is the larger chunks. I didn't add any sugars, but on this one it says that it has 1 gram of sugar because of the roasted dandelion and chicory roots. I don't know what's that, but yeah, so here is not just dandelion root, so this is just pure dandelion. I'm a little bit scared. So from the start, they don't smell the same, okay, they look the same, and let's find out if they taste the same. So I'm going to start with the one that I made. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know why, like it doesn't smell like coffee, you know what I mean? But it doesn't smell bad either. Here goes nothing. Wow, it's bitter, but not too bitter. I feel like a little bit of sugar will balance the bitterness. I have hair. So I'm going to put a little bit of sugar in it, but it does taste like coffee. This one, I will say, is a little bit more like the flavor is a little bit more enhanced, like it tastes more like coffee. And it has a sweet aftertaste, but as I said, the sweetness comes from fructose that occurs naturally in roasted dandelion and chicory roots. So I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, okay? Be right back. I have my sugar here. I'm not gonna pour all of it, just a little bit. And as you can see, there's like pulp, like coffee, you know? How is that called? I don't even know. Look at that. I will let this settle and then try again to see if the sugar fixed it. But I do really like it, and you can have this at any time of the day, which amazing. Some people call it dandelion tea. It tastes like coffee. It definitely tastes like coffee. It did kind of settle a little bit. You can see the pulp, whatever that's called. Let's try it. Please be good. Definitely I added too much sugar, but it tastes, I would say, even better than this one. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is insane. Like, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It tastes like coffee. Let me know if you guys heard of dandelion root coffee. If you guys tried this, I totally recommend it. If you guys want to drink more coffee during the day and you can't, or maybe you don't want, or it's not that healthy for you because, you know, caffeine, I totally recommend you this dandelion dandy blend, but a better and more healthier version. Just make it yourself. As I said, dandelion is so abundant on the fields. You just have to look for it. Go search it. If you don't search, you won't find. You know what I mean? So cheers to me. I'm so proud. Like, I'm so proud. I am so proud. So this is the final result. I don't think I showed that. There's a lot of coffee in there. So this is how it looks. This is the coffee. This is the coffee. Okay? Yeah. It doesn't smell like coffee. I'm very honest with you. It doesn't smell like coffee. It smells like, I don't even know how to describe it. Like herbs? No, that's not right. I don't know. It smells like something, but it doesn't smell bad. And as I said, here I have the larger chunks. Next time I'm going to boil them. So yeah, the answer is to boil it. Don't just use hot water, because you won't have a good result. So this is the larger chunks. I'm going to boil next time, as I said. So that was it. Please let me know down below if you guys like this type of video. I know I started to film like vlog style, but I end up here again because it's been like 2 days since I made this. But yeah, anyway, today I finally had the chance to try it out, and oh my goodness, I am freaking impressed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Cheers. Wow, freaking insane, freaking insane, 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 insane. Is this coffee? Like, is the coffee that is doing this?